Well, in the earlier videos, I've done the forks and the steering head, which was quite a bit of work, and I've patched up the swinging arm. And I suppose now it's time to go crazy with the angle grinder and cut up the frame. That was butchery. This is surgery. This is a piece of scrap steel which you can bend up on a simple homemade bender like this. Basically made out of chunks of angle iron and hinges for farm gates. Pretty easy DIY. This most people put it on legs. I just put it on my table. So there we go with, this is the reservoir for the rear brake. On the basis of if it's not broke, don't fix it. So it's fine, I'll leave it there. I've got a bit of tidying up to do on this. Okay, so the idea is to cut here and on the other side. Just cut through at the bottom, bend this down so it's parallel with this. This is about 17 degrees. Bend it down, tack weld it in place, and then cut off the arse. I'm going to cut off the arse somewhere around here. So I've got to cut a little wedge out of here, bend it down, then chop that. I'm hoping doing it in this sequence will avoid anything distorting. So these two will stay level, for instance, in case I want to use them for something. Well, this is just the usual dull cutting, sanding, cleaning up, and then welding. But we're coming up to something a little more interesting because we're coming on to the seat and upholstery on a very tight budget. So normally I think of upholstery as something I'm going to have to pay money for, but maybe not.